today we're gonna open this
Jollibee's kiddie meal.
Yes. And we open this.
What are these? What do you see, Shobe? It
This is
says.
Mr. Crab and this is Patrick.
Turn out. This is Mr. Crab.
And this is Patrick. And there's a stand all of it. And this is Mr. Snail here. This is the snail of SpongeBob.
That is.
And he also has a stand. Who's that?
I don't know. What is it?
Oh, it's her, the one that's inside the globe.
Okay. Sandy.
And
And
the last one,
SpongeBob.
I don't know what's this.
It's Squidward.
I think.
So, open this.
Hi.
Thank you. See you later.
How does this move? It's
Jolly-
and that's a
Jollibee's
razor.
kiddie meal, SpongeBob theme, and there's
Jerry
happy
tape.
back to school.
Jerry
They're all
tape.
school supplies.
They're all
SpongeBob supplies.
I have this. This is
And then that has a
stamp on down.
This is gonna be-
when you put it like this when it's covered. It was like doing
so
like
this
this.
one.
And look, a real stamp.
Nice. How about this one?
I don't know.
Tape. That's a tape dispenser.
I was like, it's a smiley face.
How about this one, JP? Can you open it for me?
That is
It's a pen. And can you take that out? Can you show the circle here? Can you get a paper?
Wow.
How about so you put, and then you can make circles.
Oh, I remember this.
Yeah, put
A
it here and then you go
perfect circle.
circle.
On paper.
Okay. There, can you show it, Jane?
Under.
Yeah. So, yeah.
Okay.
Sharpener.
Now
And this
we
one has a. Can you open it, Ian?
Eraser.
Eraser.
Wait, what birds?
I am gonna help install all of them.
And this is a Jerry tape.
Gary.
Gary. I thought this Jerry